will show you how to easily take in a skirt waist without sewing. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. The other day, I went to the thrift store and I found me some cute vintage skirts. So the first one is right here. This is the other skirt that I got. If you don't know how to sew and you don't have time to do it, and you don't have the money to take it to the seamstress or to the alteration place, you can easily take it in by using safety pins. I love using these for this type of skirt alterations.